Oh, our battery's dead again, I think. Oh well. Sledgehammer?
Sledgehammer?
Good choice. Maybe. Oh, yeah, that worked. What are we doing today, Austin?
We're gonna see how long a Miata will last between me and Levi.
So we bought this Miata, super cheap. I hate Miatas. We're gonna run it over, clutch drops, red lines, e-brake grabs, all the things until it dies. Then we're gonna run it over with Scouts, and then we're gonna try to rip it in half. Does that sound like what pretty much, it sounds like a good time to me, right?
Sounds like a great time to me.
Well, let's make it happen. Oh, I don't know if we can
Pop my trunk.
I don't know how to pop the trunk on a Miata. Oh man, boy. Boy, pal. Windows down. Boy. Oh man, we're cruising. Cruising.
Battery won't be dead.
We're gonna need a jump pack. We need a jump pack.
I tested it with a lot, it showed good. How much did you put in the other ones?
I don't know.
High.
Some airs.
High pressure.
Just put the airs in it.
Better burnouts.
Better burnouts, more air. Ooh, the window won't roll down.
I'll fix it.
It didn't break. Oh well. All right. Does it run? It did run. Ran when parked. Wow!
Not been ran in 2 months, holding on red line of sight.
Yeah. That's yeah, it's a thing. Air conditioner works.
Oh, that's a plus.
Yeah, man. This thing's mint.
It's kind of hot outside.
This thing is minty.
I'm fixing to ditch my hoodie.
I'm about to shed this shirt. I get to drive first.
Oh, we're already spinning.
Are we stuck yet? No.
Not yet. So I'm not gonna die today.
No?
No.
Well, that's good.
My airbag's gonna be turned off.
All right, so what are our expectations for this car? What do we think? How much abuse do you think this thing can take?
I don't know. It could go one way or the other. It could be one of those cars that never dies, or it could be a car that doesn't last 20 minutes.
Yeah, I think we can kill it either way. I think it will definitely die.
Oh yeah,
one way or another.
We'll do an oil delete on it or something. It will die.
An oil delete, absolutely, absolutely. So the car, I really don't know much about it. It has unknown mileage. I bought the car and I let the guy have the soft top back off of it, and it sat outside in the rain. The clutcher doesn't work, nothing on the dash works, but it runs, it spins the tires, it does dumb things. So I think that's gonna be the mission, to push it to point of failure and just kill it.
Absolutely.
And then we'll take it to the scrap yard and we'll send it to go make soup cans. All right, I feel like one good testament to a clapped out beater is gonna be the ability to hood slide. Now, I'm overweight. This hood is thin. We'll see what happens. I feel like this might end in a trip to the ER.
Let's hope not.
So how would you go about it? Like go full back? Would you go on your butt?
Yeah, I wouldn't
Just
go full back.
Woo! That was pretty good. All right, your turn. That was good, that was good. And I'd really, ideally like to be able to.
I wouldn't do that with the glass like that.
Right, I feel like we need to be able to hop in, right? To get like the proper effect and feel of this car. Mm-hmm. So we probably need to delete this window since it doesn't work. Let's see if we can delete the window.
You gotta throw it harder than that, you sissy.
See if a little piece of ceramic will actually. No?
No.
Mythbusters, busted. That doesn't work.
That's a myth.
Oh, our battery's dead again, I think. Sledgehammer?
Sledgehammer?
Good choice. Maybe. Oh, yeah, that worked.
Deleted.
We still gotta go, bro. Dude, I thought we were gonna total it. Well, this thing's impressive.
Very.
It's taking way more abuse than I thought it would. We've had it on the red line for no less than 20 solid minutes throughout the day. All the smoky burnouts, all the RPMs, drift monkeying through the field.
Yep.
I thought we ripped the struts out from underneath it a couple of times.
Yeah, it got kind of
Clunky.
clunky.
A little clunky. So I don't know what we're going to end up doing. Like, I think this thing is going to make us make a decision as to its death. I was hoping it would die peacefully, but I don't think it's going to. So we've got the Thunder chicken in the back. We've actually got to pull this guy in before some service here before too long, but in the meantime, I think it'll lend nicely to helping to ultimately end the life of this Miata. What do you think?
Yeah.
Awesome.
If it doesn't, I'm going to daily drive it.
Yeah, totally. Engine swap?
LS?
No, we just engine swap this into a Scout. I mean,
Yeah, for
it's
sure.
obviously healthy.
Yeah.
No, we're totally kidding. We would never do that.
No.
We're going to kill it. It's going to die.
It's definitely dying.
I think I definitely think it functions as an RTI ramp.
Oh, I definitely do.
I actually kind of feel bad for it at this point. Not really.
No, not at all.
No. All right, I think we'll back off of it.
Oh, wrong way. Wrong way.
Wrong gear. Oh. All right, damage assessment. I think she's still pretty minty.
Yep.
We've got a couple of little dings and dents. Not too big deal. We rolled her over pretty hard there, boys. I thought we were going over. That'll buff out. It's no big deal. Holy crap, I didn't realize it peeled that open. Our bumper's got some new gaps. I don't think we did that. I think that was already there.
It was there.
And I think that was already there. And I think Austin did that.
Oh, yeah. No, I didn't. You did that. You ran it over.
She's mint. Yeah. All right. I never thought I'd say this, but I'm tired of burnouts.
Yeah.
We have beat this thing unmercifully. I will say that I have no clue what engine this is. I'm sure any of you Mazda Miata guys will be able to tell me that, yes, this engine is one of the toughest in the history of Miata. Mazda, whatever, we don't care. I will say it is a tough engine though. It's definitely handled a ton of abuse. It's lived on the rev limiter for way too long. We've jumped it. Now I think we're gonna do burnouts till the tires pop. We're gonna run it over till it's dead, and then we're gonna rip it in half. What do you think?
Yep. And for anybody that likes Miatas, the motor will be for sale after this, but you have to pull it out. We're not pulling it out.
One owner, low mileage.
Yeah.
She getting a little warm, boys.
Just a little.
Killed it.
Hopefully I don't. Oh yeah, we're overflowing.
Aw, she's making funny noises. Wide open, they're off. Oh! Oh no.
Why did you?
Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, oh. It's a supplemental oil additive package that we invented specifically for the Miata. Let's see.
How much of that do you have left?
About a can. Hold on. Let me get out of the way. All right, give it to it. Hold it wide open. Is that to the floor?
They ran out of fuel.
How is it not catching those rocks?
Hey, there's not a pan in there. Is it like on LS?
No, there's no baffle, dude. That's straight on the rocker, on the cam, dude. Those rocks are bouncing in there. Oh, this thing is wicked. All right, here's one more. Is that it?
Dude!
How? It's idling. Get out of here. Get out of here. This thing has got no water in it. Oh my God.
Oh. I give it to the Miata guys. These things are tough.
Bravo, Mr.
Very
Miata.
tough.
Bravo. Bravo, Mazda. So this engine is available. It has a few rocks in the top end and a little bit of blow by.
But it still runs.
It does ran when parked. So
Let's run it over. You want to?
I'm tired of playing with it. It's gonna die. Ready?
We're go for it.
Yay! Well, boys and girls, this is what's left of it. I think we got all the good out of it. What'd you think?
It was a very eventful day.
It was a good time. So now we're gonna send this guy off to go make soup cans. We appreciate you guys at home watching. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, share if you would like, and as always, enjoy.